you're looking for reliability, this 2012 Dodge Ram 3500 is the truck for you. When you get behind the wheel, you'll know it's time to get some work done. It comes with everything you need, like alloy wheels, a bed liner, and privacy glass. Plus, you'll get a multifunction steering wheel and four-wheel drive. This truck will allow you to be comfortable on any job site. Come take a test drive today. Thank you for making Athens Dodge Chrysler Jeep the fastest growing Dodge Chrysler Jeep dealership in Northeast Georgia. We are conveniently located at 4145 Atlanta Highway in Bogart, Georgia.